Hey guys, it's Raul here from Direct Quality Auto Glass. So we have another helpful video for you guys. So as you guys can see here on this Nissan Altima, we already primered the whole top. This vehicle came in with rust. One of the tools that we use is of course our Milwaukee tool. It's really cool. It has different speeds so you can control the RPMs. This is the part number to the little disc that we use. Here we go. Perfect. Now the problem that this initially had was someone installed it with a round bead. What they did is they just applied their adhesive just like this and they just gunked it all over the place. So the adhesive actually got all over the very top of the 90 degree right here, and it kind of gunked out here. So when the water flowed in, it stayed right there and it was causing a lot of that corrosion in those areas. So one of the things that I always tell everyone, you have your V bead versus your round bead. This is the V bead is what is recommended. The round bead is not. The V bead is recommended because when you cut out the original urethane, like the original one from the vehicle, it's installed in a V bead motion just like this. And as you guys can see right here on the side, there is a gap. So that's for the water to kind of flow in. It comes out through the sides and it just leaks out. Okay. You might be asking, Raul, why is there so much primer on top? Well, once again, there was a lot of rust. We cleaned everything up. We use Sika products here, as you guys can tell. We use our activator. We let that flash off. After it flashed off, we put our 2 coats of primer because we're already at bare metal. So now we're in the situation where we're going to start shooting our adhesive. So once again, we use a V-bead here. The top of the V-bead notch needs to be just a little bit taller than the roof line, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start shooting it in this angle right here, and we're going to just allow to make sure that there is going to be water. Water is going to be able to flow in here and exit out through the sides, okay? You never want water to stay right there because it will create corrosion. So further ado, we're gonna go ahead and move this out of the way. The way that you're supposed to shoot urethane is not like this. You're not supposed to shoot urethane all the way across. The proper way is 90 degrees. You always shoot the very bottom first by the airbag. This is the part that you need to cure first, okay? So as you can see, just like that. And we're gonna end right there. Cool. Then here, what you do, the same exact method, 90 degrees, just like this. There we go. And just here, take it slow, 90 degrees. Why don't you come around so that way you guys can check this out. Remember, with at least with the Secret products, you have about 8 minutes to before it starts to cure. Here we go. So check this out. If you come around this way, you'll be able to see how I left a channel, and as you guys can see right here through the side, you can see a channel as well. So that way, when the water does flow through, it comes in this way and it just flows out, okay? So the proper way is shoot the bottom, shoot the top, connect the sides just like this. Now when I move to the other side, I'm gonna shoot the bottom on the other side. I'm gonna clean the tip, I'm gonna shoot the top and connect it again at the bottom. If you guys have any questions, you guys need any more auto glass tips, please let me know. Please like, please comment. If you guys have any other questions, I'm here for you guys.